Hey folks, this is Captain Doug Wynn with Crappie Gills and More. Crappie fishing is starting. The weather's getting nice. The lake is settled down from all the flooding, and the crappie are biting. So if you haven't been out on the lake yet, do some things at home to get ready. Make sure that your trailer's in good shape. Check your lights. Check the fittings. You know, get the grease gun. Lube the bearings. When you get to the ramp, a pet peeve of mine and a whole lot of other people is people that will pull onto the ramp and then start getting their gear together or getting their straps off the trailer and everything. The time to do that is before you get to the actual ramp. Most of the places have an area you can pull in to get ready, and you're not blocking the ramp from anybody. Nobody likes that guy that hasn't checked in, gets a boat ready to unload and it won't start. Well, then he's out, spending time working on the boat on the ramp while other people could be launching. So try to get that stuff ready before time. One thing, it's really a pet peeve. A lot of us try to get to the ramp before daylight. If you're on the ramp and there are other people that are going to be wanting to launch, turn your headlights off. You can leave your parking lights on, that way everybody can see you. But if you back down, your headlights are on, somebody else is going to be blinded in their mirrors. So don't leave your headlights on the ramp. Little courtesy goes a long way on the ramp and on the lake. So make the preparations before you get to the lake, and everybody will get along a lot better.